uShushu ku-Inimba, Lwandle confessed that he's the one that was driving the car that killed uLikamva. Now, the family is furious. Uhlathi wants uLwandle to take action, to face his consequences. Well, Sydney was also the one that was rooting for uLwandle to take responsibility for his actions. But uMakalwandle, uHlengiwe, is hell-bent on making sure that uLwandle gets away with what he did. And uThulani Kebe noHlathi, they're trying to make sure that they get their revenge because uLikamva is gone and uLikamva is not coming back. And because of this, then they need to get their revenge. And I don't know if they're going to want for uLwandle to get arrested and be charged or what, because it seems like Sydney has taken a different tune, because at first he kept on going on about he needs to take action, but now it seems like uHlengiwe is pushing, and I think he's giving Sydney an ultimatum because he needs to sign something, or maybe a non-disclosure or whatever it is, so that they can fix their marriage. Otherwise, because I think UHlengiwe is not agreeing with uLwandle going to jail. He was even willing to let him go, escape and go live overseas just to run away from this ordeal. But uHlathi is going to make sure that uLwandle suffers or deals with or faces the consequences of his actions. But now uHlengiwe is trying by all means, and I don't know if uHlathi is going to end up agreeing to whatever deal that they're going to cut, because uThumeka is not happy, saying that uHlathi is always going all out to embarrass her, to disappoint her. It's like he's always doing everything just to utampoke. It's sad ukuthi uThumeka is only realizing this now, because uHlathi is always uHlathi emhlaza uThumeka uHlathi engathathi isayiti likaThumeka. So it's sad if he's going to agree to cut whatever deal with the Zondos and leave uThumeka out, because that's not going to be fair at all. Please stay tuned for updates this week as I keep on updating you. Thank you for watching. Bye.